Hello and welcome to today's video. Now today I'm doing something a little bit different that I've never done ever before, ever. What I'm going to do is, I've got me drone with us and I'm going to attempt to do some flying lessons because I've never flown a drone ever before. Well, I tell a lie, I tried to fly it yesterday, but it went wrong and I nearly hit a tree. And I also forgot to put the SD card in the camera in the drone. I was in that much of a hurry to get out before the light went that I forgot a few things, and one of them was the SD card. You can't record much without an SD card. In fact, you can't record anything. So I just basically got a few feet off the ground, literally 4 or 5 feet off the ground. That was about it. It's a bit hairy, isn't trying to fly a drone when you haven't flown one before, I'll tell you that much. So we'll see how it goes today. I'm up here next to Wardley Colliery, what used to be the quarry, here in Wardley area. Because I wanted like an open space, so you less chance of hitting a tree or a building or a telegraph pole or something similar, you know, or an airplane or a helicopter. Just kidding, you can't go high enough up to hit one of those unless those are breaking the law and are flying lower than they should, type of thing. So anyway, here goes. Let's see how it goes with these flying lessons, because I've never flown a drone ever before, like I said. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I just managed to do some flying lessons, surprisingly, and I had quite a few hair-raising moments. As you might have seen, there was one bit where I was way high, and by the way, drones can only go up to 120 meters. That is the height limit, the altitude limited? The altitude limit. I haven't had much sleep. Altitude limited, what the hell? Anyway, I don't know how high I was because it's hard to see the screen in the light on your phone. You have to use the phone as the viewing screen when you're flying. And I went over these trees where I am now, and you could see a lake over there. But when I panned the camera down, tilted it down a bit, I noticed I was above lots of power lines, but I was quite high above them, so it was okay. But I did get a little bit of a shock because I didn't know I was above power lines because I couldn't see them for the trees. I could still see the drone, however, in the sky, because here in the UK you've got to keep line of sight, meaning you've got to be to see the drone from where you're standing or sitting at all times. And I could. It was just a little dot, but I could see it. And another thing I found difficult, you've got to remember which is left, right, up, down, and spinning the drone and going up and down type of thing. It's hard to memorize. It's like playing a computer game or something, and I don't play computer games. So you can imagine how difficult it could be for somebody who has never flown a drone, and I've never really played many computer games apart from years ago on the ZX Spectrum, and that was about it. So actually it didn't go too badly. I managed to land it both times manually because there's a return to home button and it comes back by itself, but I don't like using that because when I experimented yesterday I was about, I don't know, between 8 foot and 10 feet away from some trees, and when it was coming back it raised height before it landed, and I was looking up, I couldn't see, I had to run out the way. The sun was in my eyes, I couldn't see where it was above us, and it started landing, and I thought it was going to either hit me or the trees. That was yesterday. So I thought I'd try and land it manually instead this time. So yeah, it didn't go too badly, but this is my first real proper flight, and flight lessons, as I said. Anyway, my arm's killing us holding this bloody thing. A minute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, could you please give us a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or any of it. And I must point out, my drone, this one I'm using right now, doesn't have a 3-axis gimbal. It just has digital image stabilization. That's why it was going a bit cockeyed. Plus it was a little bit windy as well. In my helipad for landing on, the big circular mat with an H on it, it kept blowing away in the wind. That wasn't helpful. I'll tell you that much. I need a heavier one, I think. Or I need someone with us to sit on it to keep it in place. Anyway, so yeah, it didn't go too badly considering there was a few people walking past looking. I heard someone saying, "Oh look, there's a drone." I was thinking, oh my god, I need some space to try and learn to fly this before people start flocking around us, and you know, I'll lose my concentration. I'll crash into a block of flats or something. Not that there's any round here in this area, but you know what I mean. I was going to say something else then, I forgot what it was. Damn. Anyway, I have got another drone. Actually, I've got 3 other ones, and those all have 3-axis gimbals. Some of them are better than others, but I'll try them another day, hopefully. So thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see some more videos from me in the future. And until then, I'll say bye for now, and I hope you're enjoying your day or your night, wherever you are. So bye for now. Ta-ra now.